Most DTC brands spend their holidays just reacting to what their competitors are up to. I spent mine getting ahead of them. While everyone else was running around November, my counter campaign was already wrapped up in August because I spotted my competitor's strategy taking shape 3 months earlier. I'm shifting from just coding for the vibe to actually solving for the vibe at Rockkit.new. Let's get stuck in. This is Rockkit.new. And what these folks are doing is completely changing how successful businesses operate. Most AI tools will help you build things faster, but none of them actually tell you what you should be building. Now, that's exactly the problem that Rockkit.new sorts out. When we log in, we are greeted with a screen that looks pretty familiar. This is to help the customer feel comfortable, but also to let you get around your dashboard quickly and easily. So here, we can see our prompt box, and there's a bunch of other options as well. If we want to start a new project, we just click the Create New Project button. In this case, we are going with a holiday gifting campaign for premium candles. So for this example, we'll be looking at the premium scented candle market, where competitors are A/B testing holiday bundles and have hidden winter collection pages. Here's our prompt, where we've asked to analyze the premium scented candle market for the upcoming holiday season. Research competitors who are testing holiday bundles, seasonal collections, hidden landing pages, gift sets, and limited edition products. We've also added more details about what to look for, and once we are happy with it, we just hit the Solve button. Now, when you submit a prompt, Rockkit doesn't just look for a single answer. It breaks down the situation, splitting your market research into thousands of smaller investigations across digital sources, and it's doing the manual work of a top-level marketing analyst. Instead of just scraping a handful of pages, it investigates thousands of data points at once to come up with a recommendation you can actually use. The end result is a structured campaign strategy. Here, it's focused on personalized gifting, custom labels, and curated sets to stand out from the generic bundles the competition is sending out. Now, it's put all this together in a massive document, and we can go through it and basically learn everything about the market we are targeting. Next, let's have a look at intelligence. This is where things get interesting, because intelligence is more than just information. Rockkit Track keeps an eye on 6 categories, including website changes and ad creative, so it can spot your competitors testing hidden landing pages before they even add them to their main navigation. Here, we can see a track report showing a competitor testing out a holiday preview back in August. For this, I'm using pre-track URLs, since Track needs about 24 to 36 hours to build up a full set of historical data, but you'd spot the first signals for your own brand in just 3 to 4 hours. Here we can see we've got key signals, data coverage, activity heat maps, and everything's laid out in a clear and intuitive way. Next, let's build something. So, we are putting together a seasonal campaign landing page that gives off a luxury gifting vibe. We've popped in a prompt here, along with the brand personality. Now, let's let this thing do its thing for a bit, and then see what it comes up with. From what I've seen using this so far, I'd say the smarts of this AI are miles ahead of a lot of other platforms out there. Here, we can see the output. We are generating a high-end design with interactive options for choosing curated gift sets that match their personality. The website has live integrations to actually make this a working business. We can see we've got a full landing page here. We can also see the niche or subcategory for each of these products. You could pretty much use this for anything. So, what about live integrations? Well, here we can see there are heaps of different integrations we can set up, whether it's Google or Stripe or whatever else. If we want to hook up Stripe or Google here, it's just a simple sign-in process, as you can see, and this lets our users bundle checkouts or use something like MailChimp for an early access email campaign. Now, because all of this sits within the same project, Rockkit already knows the personalized gifting strategy from Solve and the pricing signals from Track. To connect our database, all we need to do is log into our Superbase account, authorize that, and then it'll be set up in no time. Now our website has Google and a database integrated in just a few minutes. So, what about context and collaboration, or building up value over time? What we are going to do is open a new task here and create a social media teaser with assets. And because of everything we've already done, Rockkit already knows the brand's look and feel, the pricing structure, and the campaign timeline, without you having to paste in a single word. So that's the context sorted. But what about the collaborators? Well, what we can do with the Collaborators tab is actually invite a freelance designer to the project, and they won't even need a briefing call. They can see the competitive intelligence and strategic reasoning straight away. Overall, I'm absolutely blown away by this product, and I've never come across anything quite this clever and sophisticated before. This is definitely something I'd really recommend having a look at. Stop guessing and start building with real evidence. Get a jump on your competition at Rockkit.new. That's all from me. I'll catch you in the next video.